Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2+, and I'm gonna show you how to change the tiles or customize the tiles menu on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And to access the tiles menu, swipe left on the home screen, like this, to open it. And here we have the tiles menu, and we have list of tiles. And to edit this menu, you need to press and hold on one of the tiles, like this, to open the editing mode. And here we can do a couple of things. We can add new tile, remove a tile, and change the order of the tiles. So basically reorder them on the list. To add a new tile, scroll all the way to the right. Once you find the add tile option, tap on it. It will open the list of tiles you can pick from. Select the one you like by tapping on it. And it's gonna be added to the list. To remove the tile, find the tile you want to remove and swipe up on it, like that. And to change the order of the tiles, so basically move them around the list, find the tile you want to move and then tap on one of the arrows to move it. And once you're done editing the tiles menu, press the upper button to go back and confirm. And as you can see, the changes applied. And that's how you change the tiles or customize the tiles menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.